How's it going, internet land? Welcome to Car News Daily. And today's video I'm just going to do a quick review of this LED trim kit I got. It's 800 LED lights, so honestly you could do just about any special effects with this type of thing. Right now I got emerald green and I got ocean blue, and those rectangles are just moving along and just doing everything. I got down here on the door scuffs, I got it, and up around the top here by the speedometer, it's kind of just moving around and doing exactly what I wanted it to do. It took a long time to figure out where to put these 7 strips. This one's going around by the gauges, and I got them going down by the door over here. It's pretty cool. These things are really bright. I mean, they just, you know, when you got no lights on at all, nothing, no street lights. I got no street lights by me right now. The LED trim actually lights the car up. So that pretty cool. Obviously I got the glow kit under the car, so the white. I did the floor back seat. This is behind the driver's seat. Just giving the tour of the whole car here, and that's behind the driver's seat. It's going down and around the floor, and I'm just gonna go around the back of the car. It's really a cool trim kit. I think this could be cool on like any vehicle. It kind of gives it like a sportier look, and I noticed it actually reflects off the side of the car. So I didn't know it was going to do that really, but after I installed it, kind of gives it a cool look. And this is the passenger door, and we got obviously the floor by the passenger door and the dashboard. I've seen some people do these on YouTube a little bit here and there, and I just want to do a little different, so I just did kind of random designs here, and kind of just to go with the natural shape of the dashboard and everything. Now I do have a second trim kit in the car, but it's not as bright. So I got the remote in my pocket, and the remote for the trim kit actually it changes the trim on one of them, and it changes the glow kit under the car at the same time. So I'm gonna test that out. And right now, I'll just be honest, when you click the remote, because the remote is like kind of cheap, it kind of interacts with all of them. If I went on my phone, you could just believe me, tried it, tested it out. If I go on my phone, there's a separate app for each thing. There's 3 different apps. There's an app for I just had to stop talking because the car was going by. It was too loud. It's quiet now, so you'll be able to hear me. You know, you got underglow under the car, an app for that. You got an app for the new one that moves with the rectangle shapes, and then you got a third app for that middle console where it's blue. I'm not going to get into that right now. I'll do that on the next video. This is just a quick mini review, so I'm going to click the regular remote I have, and whatever happens happens. So obviously these are some different colors, and it's just going to do random things. And it has so many special effects. It's not doing what I want it to do right now. I think it has sound activated. Let's see. Yep, when I tap the dashboard, it picks up the noise. So that would be a good one for driving, and looks like a video game. It really looks like a video game, to be honest. It does like all these little mini things. So that's kind of cool. Let's get into some different ones. Obviously it's got rainbow. It's got blinking mode. Let's see if I can get nice with it and pull up the app on my phone while I'm still recording. I know the trend on the internet is most of the people watch videos that are less than 2 minutes long, but I genuinely don't care. If you can't watch a video for more than 10 minutes, pretty bad, because a lot of things in life are going to take more than 10 minutes of effort to accomplish. So anyway, this thing has to be the dopest kit I've seen. I've probably looked at legit over 100 of them, and I just like this one the best, I'll be honest. There's no exact reason, it just has so many options. I'm just pulling it up on my phone right now. I got it right here. It didn't take too long, it took like less than a minute. I got it memorized. So now I'm pulling the app up, and now I'll really be able to get into it. As long as it's still hooked up, it should be good. And let me get into some of these. Bingo. So I'm just sitting in the passenger seat now, and this should work. So yeah, it's like really cool. It's a cool way to just kind of hang out and, you know, just look at some different colors. You can match your outfit you're wearing. You can match your friend's outfit. If I'm driving around with my friend, I can match whoever's outfit. It does so many different things. I'll show you the screen. It's literally, there's like all of these, like there's just so much. These are all different colors, like RGB, red, green, blue. There's 7 different colors. There's all these different, some of these I don't even know what these mean. And then you get into the top part. Keep in mind, this is a review video, so I'm getting into some of the different things they have. Trying to give a real professional review here. So if you go into like flow, which all these kits have these same words, tail, run, flow, etc, etc. These are kind of the industry standard, I noticed. But this one is really just dope. Like, I have never seen a car that has it before. That's actually my YouTube brand colors: black, white, and green. It's actually the correct green too, the emerald green. So this is just really kind of a good time, legit a good time to just kind of do whatever with these. And I think it's gonna be pretty cool when I start selling some t-shirts and some hoodies, car t-shirts, car hoodies, whatever. This will be a cool way to kind of make some mini like TikTok videos and mini YouTube shorts to show each item, because you could just legit, whatever item you have, you could do. Obviously this is 3 different colors, but you can do 2 different colors, you could do 4. You can get creative with it. You can kind of put your own personality into it. And you know, I think it would be really cool for anybody out there looking to do not just merch, but if you're trying to do TikTok and make an intro video, I think this would be perfect. It has every color combination. I mean, you got 800 LEDs. This is obviously the passenger seat dashboard, and the radio, and then you got, that's the floor by the driver's seat floor. There's a speedometer. This is just, I don't know, I guess purple and white. It has all these different ones. It's like sky blue with white. It's got, I don't even know, it's got everything. Try to flip through some of these. I haven't even looked at all of them. I've maybe got through like half